How to delete and remove an event on Google Calendar. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to remove any event on Google Calendar in easy fast way. So first thing, go to Google Calendar. Now this is the event that I want to delete. All what you have to do is simple, just do like this, swipe it right, and it will be deleted. Click OK and the event will be deleted easily. It's very easy, as you can see. All what you have to do is swipe like this and click OK, of course. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.